Hey guys! Thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. I'm Susan and welcome back. So if you haven't done it already, please subscribe. The subscribe button below, whatever, is over here. One of those, not sure yet. But anywho, so today, gotta talk about my lip products. So, I've always wanted to try this and I never got around to it until I was on one of my infamous Ulta trips and I was like, okay, let's see what I can find. And I saw something that really caught my eye. It was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Metallic Liquid Lipstick Set. It wasn't the set that got me, it was one color. This is what the set looks like. It's 3. One is called Blizzard, which is the white one. The middle one is called Phantom, and the other one is called Mai Tai. It's Phantom that got me. Phantom is serious. I've been wearing this. Now, I also want to mention one thing. Anastasia Beverly Hills, Norvina Claudia. This doesn't come off. Like, for real, it doesn't come off at all. A coworker of mine put this on her hand to look at the color. She's like, oh, this is nice, and it dried down and everything. And she went to go wash her hands. She went to take a hand sanitizer wipe. Took some lotion. Damn, that's all I can say. That's good and that's bad. So let me get to this here. So this is probably my favorite color. It's a metallic red. Again, I'll do some lip swatches. It is absolutely stunning on any skin shade. I haven't worn Mai Tai before. It looks, I'm gonna swatch it. I just literally bought it for this. I'm not going front, you know. Mai Tai is, oh, okay. It reminds me of the XO Vlada and Smashbox, but it's not as opaque as that. And this one, like I said, is Blizzard. This is a lip topper, I believe is what it says. So I think it's a lip topper. I'm sure you can wear this by itself. It's an iridescent holographic type thing. They're not creamy, they're not dry, but it's like a dry oil feel when you put that on your skin, if that makes sense. So it's not bad, don't get me wrong, it's not bad. Now I will say, not bad, it's like vanilla-y type, because Blizzard is a holographic iridescent. And like I said, I don't know if you can see that, but when you put it over the Phantom, it changes the color to an actual color I don't like. It is a horrific pink. I can't even describe it. I haven't put it over Mai Tai, so we're gonna try that in a minute, but I'm not gonna. If you can grab this, and I forgot how much it is, let me look, hold on. If you can grab that, do it. Hold on, let me look real quick. Anastasia, $25. I don't know if Sephora has it, but that's, yeah, it's at Ulta. And then they also have a mini lip gloss set that has 4, but obviously they're glosses. 2 pinks, 2 neutrals, $25 as well. So yeah. Now, the next 2 products, I just did 4, isn't that stupid? Next 2 products I'm gonna tell you about. It's whatever. Again, like I said, I'm just here for the makeup. I have never purchased any lipstick, lip gloss, nothing from this person. But when I see something on sale, I'm like, okay. Kat V.D, let me tell you about her. Now, I really should have like a paper towel or something, but I don't. I always wanted to buy these everlasting, what are these called? Everlasting somethings. They're bright colors. This is called Televator, and it is a, oh, I just put stuff everywhere. Hold on. Told you it's not coming off. It is a bright purple. So this is one of the brightest purple glittery something or others I have ever seen. I will do a swatch of this. This was on sale. This was like $15 or something like that. I forgot the original price. You can put this on your eyes. It is beautiful, but it is bright, and you will definitely be noticed by people who, you know, see you or whatever. It's just, anywho. And then I bought this black. It's called, what's it called? Witches. And what got me to buy this black was I was in Sephora, obviously, and I was getting ready to buy another black, but this black was blacker than that black. And I was like, okay, and it was creamy, and it was a true black, and it is absolutely fantastic. And I don't regret this purchase. Hold on, I'm not left-handed, that's why I'm shaking, sorry. I don't regret this purchase at all, not one bit. It's a beautiful black shade. Can you imagine these two colors doing an ombre lip? Oh my God, I'm just saying. So I will say, I approve all of these purchases. I do love all of these products. I will probably not be able to get this stuff off my hands on either side. So we'll see. So yeah, that's all I have. So thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. I just dropped everything. And happy holidays. See you next time.